Hello everyone, hope you are all well, and thanks to all of you because our Englit World family has become members of 1.04k members, and it has become possible only because of all of yours love and support. So thanks to all of you, and keep making this family bigger. So this video is a bit different from the type of video I make. Actually, I ordered some old books from online. So today I will show you the unboxing of those books, and I will tell you that how the books are. So you can also order from like old books because when I was in Kolkata, I used to go all the time College Street for buying books. There, I think you all know that that's the biggest the market for old books in India or Asia something. So you will obviously get old books there. But now, as I am in Banaras, so I couldn't go College Street. So I had to buy books from online. So normally I buy books from Flipkart or Amazon, but this time I came to know about new website, or there is also website and app also. So I downloaded the app. So the name of the app is Bookchor. So from there you can order old books also. So like the price will also be lesser than the price of Amazon or Flipkart. So I ordered this for the first time from Bookchor. I ordered 4 books from my second semester syllabus. So now I will show you that how the books are. Like you can also buy if you want, because all of those who are not in Kolkata, like you cannot go College Street, but you want old books, so you can depend on this website. And even those who are in Kolkata, like many of you have to go College Street in this scorching heat, and you have to like roam and find books. So you can do that. If you can get that like old books in online from your home, that's a good thing. So let's unpack this and let's see how the books are. And the packaging is pretty good, as I showed you. So let's see how the books are, like the condition of the books. See, these are all covered in there. Wow, like let me show you something. Here is an handwritten note, like you can see it. I think I'm hello Gita, this is to thank you for making a purchase from bookchor.com. We are glad to have you aboard with us. Welcome. It's a pretty good thing, like a handwritten note. When you are getting this, it's a good thing. And now, and another thing I heard that you will get some amazing bookmarks from this book. I heard this, so I have found 2 bookmarks. This is, good. This is also, let's see if I will get some others also. So here is first the Hamlet. I ordered Hamlet from Arden Shakespeare, where this note is also there. So you can see the quality of the book. I am pretty happy with this. Like it's a pretty good thing when you are getting this. I think it cost much lesser than the price of Amazon or Flipkart. So Hamlet is pretty good. Now let's see the others. That is Charles Dickens' Great Expectation. I think the quality of this book was I think there are some divisions, like almost new, good, readable kind of this. I think 3 books, the condition of 3 books I ordered was good, and one was like almost new. I think Hamlet was almost new. I'm not sure, but let's see. And this is also a good book. It's a little bit older than this book, but you will not have any difficulty reading the book. So I am pretty happy with this book. And here is the Tempest. Wow, this is like a new book. I think this book, there are some a little like, I know if you can say it, like something written in pencil in the midst of book, but it's okay. I don't have any problem with that. Otherwise the condition of the book is very good. Now let's see the last book, that is Tom Jones. I ordered it's of Wordsworth Classic. Now let's see the quality. Wow, it's also good. It is, it is like almost new. Like I don't find anything in the book. Like if I would bought this as new book, if someone would told me that, I would believe that, because you cannot find anything like that is not like new. So actually, I ordered only 4 books for my syllabus, because I didn't want to order all the books, because first I had to see the quality, that how these are. So I am very satisfied with all these 4 books. I had to buy more books from my like syllabus, for my syllabus. So I would order like all of those books from Bookchor only, because I liked it very much. And so the name, as I told you, the name of the like that platform is Bookchor. Bookchor. So there is a website also, and there is an app also. I prefer the app because I feel the app is more user friendly. Like in every case, I feel app is more user friendly than website, but you can go for anything you want. I will share the link of that like the Play Store link of downloading the app, and the like the website link also in the description of this video. And other things, like you will find that you will get free delivery over orders. Like if you order I think 599, yes, so like 600 rupees book, if you order 600 rupees books, you will get free delivery. Otherwise, if your the cost is lesser than that, you have to pay the delivery charge. And as I ordered these books for the first time, I got 100 rupees off. So the all the books price was like all these 4 books price was 684, and I got 100 rupees discount. So I had to pay 584 rupees. So it's a pretty good, like as the publications, like I got Ardent Shakespeare, those price is bit high in the platforms, like other platforms like buying online shopping. So this was all like about I thought of sharing, because old books, like those who are English literature students, we have to buy a lot of books. So if we get old books, that's a good thing. And I know that all of you will not be able to go college trip, like as I am not able to go. So I think this will be helpful for those also. So let me know that how you like this video, and if you like after watching this video, if you order any book from Bookchor and you like it, please let me know. Okay, so this was all for today. Hope to see you soon in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.